guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around my studio again because even though you've seen most of this space already, I thought it would be fun to take you through some of my favourite products. I know when I was younger I used to love watching people show off their makeup and stuff, so I figured I'd show you what paint I have similar. It's something I would find interesting if I liked someone's work. I'd be like, oh, what colours do they have? So yeah, that's what I'm showing you today and I hope you like it.
So let me show you around. I've got this coat hook here that I upcycled instead of throwing away. A ton of Two Fussy Blokes hats. Thank you, Keith. And then I've just got a whole load of junk here. It's just a load of props for taking photos. I keep them all together. That is my studio light, and at the time I was taking photos of my phone box. So there is my table, you've seen that before, and then over there I've got some pieces that were for sale originally, but they have been sold. Over there's where I store the majority of my paint. This is where my pegboard is. You've seen it a million times before, but now you know where it is. This is everything, and I've got an ombre door that I painted myself. Now I'm going to be showing you my pegboard and what I keep on it. My pegboard is probably my favourite part about my studio, and it houses most of my tools and paintbrushes. So as you see here, I've got a majority of Harris, Axis Decor and Zebra brushes. The Axis Decor ones are probably my favourite at the moment just because they're so soft. And yeah, so I hang everything up. I got these little pegboard doohickeys from Amazon, and I spray painted some baskets. There's some Two Fussy Blokes rollers. I could set up a shop. But yeah, so this is where I keep everything. I keep my masking tape. My favourite masking tape is Axis Decor or Frog tape, or Deltec tape is super good. And I have the Tamiya masking tape there. That's a super small one. And I keep my fusion paint up here in these little baskets I've sprayed because I think fusion paint is so pretty. So I just keep it on display and it makes me happy. And I've got some spray paint there, some more frog tape and mini fusion testers. I also keep to the left here a lot of spray paint cans. Most of them are empty from doing this pegboard, but I just have them there for display. Next one, talking you through this piece that I painted for my studio, and it houses most of my paint. My dad was actually getting rid of these shelves in his shed, so I took it for my paint. I labelled all my paint during the last lockdown. I just cut a little piece of paper and put the paint on the outside of the can. It's just easier than checking the top where I had a little swatch. I just found this a lot easier, and I just stuck that on the side of the can. I think this is super handy, and I haven't looked back since. And here are just my many trophies. No, I paint these for Butler & Dunn. Thought I'd show you that I have a little packing system there. Just gonna do that once a month. And then here I have a little basket full of mural stuff. So I've got little testers, and I've got these super fluffy rollers from Butler & Dunn from Two Fussy Blokes. They haven't been released yet, but they're super good for murals because the coverage is great. So if you're going for a deep colour on a light colour, it's super easy. And I just keep lots of colour cards around to help me figure out colour combinations and stuff like that. So I keep them in there. And over here I've just got a whole load of rubbish. No, I've got like some books, and then I've got some notebooks. And down here I keep all my primers and just bigger things like, and then the varnish as well that I keep there. That's polyvine varnish, and I have it in 3 different finishes. Also have my spray paints up here and teak oil because I do a lot of mid-century furniture, so I need that. And then up here is all just random craft bits, so you'll see a ton of pom-poms, and I like to try like a million different things, so that's why I have so much different stuff. I'm finding it hard to narrow my focus, I guess. And here's just another look at the furniture that I had available at the time, but that bedside locker that was on your screen there, that's still available to buy. Here are my favourite primers. So I need an oil-based and a water-based. One was Otex Aqua, one was Bloxit. Then I'm just showing you my different things I keep in this caddy. My favourite artist paintbrushes are from Saustrian Green, and then I've got little knives for cutting the masking tape. This little caddy thing is really handy. It's called a Raskog. It's from IKEA, and it's on wheels so you can move everything around. I keep all my cleaning stuff, then sanding, filling and trays, and then I've got primers, so you can sort of go through each level.
Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope you found it interesting, and if you're nosy like me, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you liked seeing all the different paints and the different products I use, and yeah, I hope you have more of an idea of what I do day-to-day basis when it comes to furniture. So I hope you like it, and let me know in the comments below if you like this type of video, or what are your favourite like guilty pleasures, like weird videos when people might put up like makeup collections or hauls or like collection of wigs. I feel like that would be a good video. I haven't watched one, but I feel like it would be a good video. I have to do that now. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you liked this video and if you found it interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.